It's not a mystery, and it's not random. It's a formula. 5 specific factors, weighted in fixed proportions. Run against your financial history every time a lender pulls your file. This is the real breakdown. The 5 factors, the exact weights, and what actually moves the number. Most credit scores in the US come from one company's formula, FICO. FICO scores are built from 5 categories, each with a fixed weight. Payment history, 35%, the single largest factor by a wide margin. Have you paid what you owed on time in the past? One late payment, 30 days or more, can knock points off immediately. It can sit on your credit report for up to 7 years. More serious events, up to 10.